Hey everybody, I want to show you something that's super cool. I know that for many of you out there that are suffering not only spinal problems, headaches, migraines, problems with their low back, nerve issues, tingling, one of the things that a lot of offices do not have is what I'm about to show you. This is really cool. This is invented by the NASA scientist who is studying the effects of being anti-gravity on the spine with all the astronauts. And so this is the same technology. It's the guy that invented it, made it available to chiropractors to be able to see the effects of doing an adjustment and a treatment on a spine to actually track the progress. Just yesterday, a patient of mine that came in, we scanned her spine. She's been feeling off a little bit. So we did the scan and I'll show you what this looks like. Let's see here on the scan. So the scan is scanning all her neck there, and you can see the neck, the percent difference is like 1,160. So it's quite high. But look at the stress score at the bottom. See that? It gives you a stress score. So if you're normal and you got nothing, that's what you look like, all green. But see that? 497. That's kind of how you can tell that somebody's off. I could tell you when we do this on patients that are new to the office or new to chiropractic and who haven't been taking care of their spine, we're talking scores of 2,000, 3,000. It's amazing the difference there. But she's been under care for a while, so her score is relatively low. But again, I could tell she's been off. That's not her normal number. So we did the adjustment right after we did the scan because we want to make sure that what we're doing is not only effective, but it's gonna get results. So we scanned her again. Look at the difference to the neck. Look at those numbers. But look at that stress score difference. Look at that, 67. And patients are telling us the difference that it's making. But when you can track it, when you can see it for real, and when it's immediate, nothing beats that. If you have a question about chiropractic or whether or not it's right for you, feel free to reach out to me. I always do my best to answer every question and make sure that you get to the right chiropractor for you. Until next time, I hope you have a great week. We'll talk to you later.